Patients all across Minnesota are breathing a sigh of relief, knowing their care will continue through the holidays. A looming 20-day nurses' strike was called off after a tentative agreement between the nurses' union and the hospital leadership. WCCO's Marielle Mohs breaks down the deal and how people are feeling about it.
I'm relieved.
With flu season already far ahead of normal, Becky Gettle feels better knowing she and her 5-year-old daughter Blakely will be able to get care if needed. It was something she was worried about last week when the nurses union voted to strike.
We rely on those nurses.
On Tuesday morning, 15 Twin Cities and Twin Ports hospitals called off their strike after reaching tentative agreements.
I'm ecstatic because they should be the ones getting that pay. They do it all.
The Minnesota Nurses Association says there are 2 major wins in this tentative agreement. The first is new contract language that would address the chronic understaffing issue in hospitals. The second is historic pay. Here in the Twin Cities, hospitals would see 18% pay increase over the course of 3 years. In Twin Ports, it would be 17% over the course of 3 years. And all of the nursing staff would receive retroactive pay as well.
The reason you're having a shortage is truly because of pay. I'm glad that it's in the language, but even if it wouldn't have been, with that pay increase that they deserve, it's just going to be so much better for everybody.
Mary Turner, the president of the Minnesota Nurses Association, says this tentative agreement will help to keep nurses at the bedside, where we will keep fighting to oppose the corporate healthcare policies which threaten our hospital systems and the care our patients deserve. All the hospitals involved released statements as well. Children's Minnesota says they're grateful. Essentia Health saying they appreciate efforts to reach a solution. Allina Health calls the agreement fair and equitable. And Twin Cities Hospitals says the agreement will help ensure patients continue to receive excellent care. Marielle Mohs, WCCO 4 News.
St. Luke's Lakeview Hospital in Two Harbors is the last hospital without an agreement. They will go back to the negotiating table on Friday. M&A still needs to ratify this new contract. They haven't set a date for that yet.